Okay, so I totally forgot to set up and show how I made my solar thing. So I took a protein box that I had, taped it kind of up so it kind of like circulates some of the heat with some tinfoil, and then I have plastic, which I think is going to hold heat, a black can, and I filled it with water. I've taken the initial temp, and I'm going to set this inside here and hoping when the sun comes up it will kind of like circulate and we will see. I tried this the other day. I forgot to record any of it, and it started raining, so I had to let my entire project air out. And I am Sarah Johnson, and this is lab number 10, Solar Lab. I'm going to attempt to make a solar water heater. And if this doesn't work, I have a plan B that involves a mirror. So, we shall see. We'll check in at the end of the day, and we'll see if I have some pretty hot water. Okay, so, checking back in. I look awful. I'm going to redo my solar experiment because Gwen keeps knocking it over. So essentially, I got another box. I got some glue. I had tinfoil, and I still have the bottle in the can, and I think I'm just gonna reset it up how I had it. This has a better base on it. Hopefully, I can take maybe like a pack of dried lentils and brace it so it's not falling over. I'm gonna recreate this and we'll see where we get. So stand by.
I'm done with your drawing.
You're done with it. Good job. You still have, look, these little pieces right here, baby. You can color those right there. And you could be done. You've done a really good job. I actually have used some other coloring sheets that are Disney characters on my phone. I can print off for you.
Hey, there's a princess called Jasmine. There's a princess called Jasmine, and my mom's named Jasmine.
I know. I am friends with your mommy. I know.
And I even said you were going to give some things to her. You didn't even give...
I know. I keep forgetting those books. Because I know Katie wanted them.
Katie? Oh, yeah,
my cousin.
Yeah. Katie.
I know. Yeah, Katie. I know.
Do you know Zach?
I know Zach. I went to school with Zach. Zach and I, he was a dance for my 8th grade Sadie Hawkins dance.
Oh.
Zach and I danced around pumpkins. It was fun.
Well, Papa hasn't met Zach in a long time, but we went to a restaurant and Zach was working there.
He works at Golden Corral.
Yeah, and
I know.
And Papa and Zach finally met.
Okay, I'm gonna try re-gluing.
That's super cute.
Oh, do you know what character that is? Do you know its name?
I forgot.
Starts with a K. What do you think its name is?
I don't know. I forgot. I keep
Kirby.
Kirby.
Yeah, I painted Kirby last weekend, and
you decided just to leave his eyes white.
they're actually a blue-white.
A blue-white.
Yeah, I gotta paint. They see all the white around Kirby. I've got to go back and paint curbs. Okay, so essentially it's gonna be this inside this.
Why is you were trying to draw something?
And if I need to, like, I don't know, solar, like, reflect the light back into this, I'm sure I could use, like, this Gatorade bottle.
What are you working on?
This is my science project. The wind kind of destroyed it, so I'm having to remake it. And I'm just running through different ways it might work. So,
Up here?
yeah, babe, give me just a moment.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to go get your Star Wars pillow and a blanket so you can sleep in here later, and your donut pillow if you want, babe. Okay, this concludes this retake attempt. I think the glue's gonna help hold that tinfoil in place so I don't have to worry about it. This box is heavy, so I'm gonna let this dry, and in the morning, hopefully if it's not raining, I'm gonna set this out and retry this for hashtag take 3. Good morning. It has been a while since I have recorded because the weather has not been nice. As you can see, the sun is behind me, and I got to find someplace in this yard to set up my solar device, which is right here. I've already put fresh water in my can and have tried taking the temperature of it. So I'm gonna try setting it up back in my same place. It's only 8 a.m. so in the next hour the sun will come up over the house and I should have a pretty good space for it. I'm gonna try right here and hopefully nothing knocks it over. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully the sun will come up over the house and hit right here and make it all toasty. My water is probably about 65 degrees point something, so it's a little on the cold side, but I mean, I'm gonna be happy if I get like a 10 to 20 degree increase. I'm gonna come and check it about 3-4 p.m. and we'll see what we have. Hopefully this is a more stable version of what I created or attempted to create last time. So we will try that. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so I'm about to check the temperature. It is now 3. And mine, I moved it down lower so I could sit here and do the temperature. There's condensation built up in the lid. Turning it on. Lifting it up. It's still reading. So I'm reading at 91.4. I think that is awesome. I would say this did work considering this was in the 60s this morning. Yeah, I would say that this experiment is definitely a success. I didn't think we were gonna get up into like the 90s. I thought we were probably looking at like, you know, maybe 80. I didn't think, you know, a 30-degree rise. So I'm really proud of this. It looks good, it works well, and yeah, I couldn't have asked for a better outcome, honestly. So this concludes lab number 10, physical science. Yay!